Did you know the foods you eat can either be the safest and most powerful medicine, or the slowest form of poison? Hi, and welcome to Kitchen Hospital, where we explore how nature's bounty can fuel your body, heal your soul, and transform your life. Today, we're diving into the ultimate mantra for well-being: healthy food, healthy life. We'll cover the connection between what you eat and how you feel, the best foods to boost your health and prevent diseases, simple lifestyle hacks to nourish your body and mind. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to make every bite count. The science of nutrition. Why nutrition matters. Think of your body as a high-performance car. Would you fuel it with junk? Nope. Your body thrives on whole, nutrient-dense foods that provide energy, repair tissues, and fight off diseases. Key nutrients and their roles. Carbohydrates, your body's primary fuel source. Choose whole grains, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. Proteins, essential for muscle repair and immune health. Great sources include lentils, tofu, eggs, and fish. Fats, good fats, like those in avocados and nuts, keep your heart and brain healthy. Foods that heal. Superfoods to include in your diet. 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. 2. Berries, blueberries and strawberries for anti-aging and brain health. 3. Nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds for heart health and glowing skin. 4. Fermented foods, yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut to improve gut health. 5. Whole grains, brown rice and oats to stabilize blood sugar levels. 6. Herbs and spices, turmeric, ginger, and garlic for anti-inflammatory benefits. 7. Hydrating foods, cucumbers, watermelon, and citrus fruits to keep skin radiant. Remember, what you eat today determines how you'll feel tomorrow. Myths and misconceptions about healthy eating. Myth 1: healthy eating is expensive. Not true. Foods like lentils, seasonal veggies, and whole grains are budget-friendly and nutrient-packed. Myth 2: you need fancy superfoods. You don't need goji berries when spinach does the trick just as well. Myth 3: healthy food is boring. Healthy doesn't have to be bland. Add spices, herbs, and creativity to your meals. Lifestyle hacks for long-term health. 1. Plan your meals. Take 30 minutes every Sunday to plan your meals. Prep veggies, soak grains, and cook in batches. 2. Snack smart. Keep nuts, seeds, and fruit handy to avoid unhealthy cravings. 3. Stay active. Pair good food with daily movement, walking, yoga, or a quick home workout. 4. Hydrate often. Start your day with warm lemon water and sip herbal teas throughout. 5. Mindful eating. Slow down and savor each bite. Your brain and body will thank you. Why healthy food equals a healthy life. Long-term benefits. Prevents chronic diseases like diabetes and heart issues. Boosts immunity and energy levels. Promotes mental clarity and reduces stress. Keeps your skin glowing and hair strong. Healthy food isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling great and living your best life. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to heal, energize, and thrive. Start small. Swap one unhealthy snack for a handful of nuts, or add one extra veggie to your plate. Your body will thank you, and so will your future self. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's ready to transform their life. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips from Kitchen Hospital. See you next time.